Hey guys, this is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and in this video we are going to be checking out the Dash Wand with Alexa integration. So this device has been out for a while, but it was just recently on sale for $6 with a $20 credit when you buy something. So I figured, why not make a video for you? I know it's a little late, but it doesn't really matter. I'm making a video anyway. This thing's actually pretty awesome. I think this is the second generation one. And this has Alexa integration, so we can just talk to it. This is meant for kitchen use. So it's magnetic, it's water resistant, and also has a barcode scanner, which is the main feature of this device, so that you can pick up items that you're out of. And that's where the $20 credit comes in. When you scan something with this, it'll give you $20 off. So let's open this up. I am not really going to use it at all for the scanning much, because Amazon's shopping prices, especially for groceries, aren't that great. But I'm excited to have a portable Echo or Alexa or whatever. Apparently they've changed the name. It says Amazon Wand right here. Opening up the box, as you can see, we've got the wand right here, along with two AAA batteries. We've also got quick start guide, things to try, and a hook. So I don't know, you can stick it on something. Maybe this is magnetic, or maybe it's just sticky. We'll see about that later. So this is the wand itself. It's fairly simple. So here's the barcode scanner on the front. And apparently it just works like any other scanner. I don't know if you hold the button and scan, if you press it and scan, if you tell Alexa to scan it. I don't know. We're going to figure that out in a second. But we do have microphones on both sides of the scanner, and there's a button that does light up. This is all plastic, except this part's rubber, and supposedly there's a magnet in here, so you can put it on your fridge or something like that. And then the hook just goes like that. So maybe this is sticky and this is magnetic for whatever you want. So let's actually figure out how to set this thing up new. Thanks, Mark. From the past, setup is actually pretty simple. You just have to kind of yank this bottom piece off. You can pop in the batteries and then go to the website listed in the instructions, or you can open up the Amazon app, go to your account and view your Dash devices. Once there, we can go ahead and click Get Started to, well, get started. We press and hold the button once we have inserted the batteries to activate the setup process. It'll find the Dash Wand and it will connect to it within a couple of seconds. Once that is done, we can go ahead and connect it to Wi-Fi, because this is working just like a normal Echo. And there we go. That is really it. Now it's managed through the Alexa app. So looking at the device itself, we got a button on the front. You press and hold to talk. There's a microphone right there on the top. On the other side, we got a speaker, not a microphone. And we do also have our barcode scanner. Simple, plain, not a lot to it. One interesting note is that there is a little bump. So when you put it on a table, it will not cover the speaker and muffle it, which is a big problem. We'll talk about that a little bit later. But the big feature of this is the barcode scanning. All you have to do is just press the button. When the red light turns off, you can release the button, and that means it has successfully added it to your cart. Once it goes off, you release the button, and it even says added. It will add every single product, even if it does not for sale on Amazon. We'll take a look at that in a second. Now you can also scan things other than food. You can pretty much scan anything with a barcode, because this is Amazon, of course. So we can scan a book or anything else. And if we hop onto Amazon, we can see everything we've scanned. If it found it, it'll show it and it'll give us a price. But if it did not find the product we scanned, it does give me a button to choose an alternative for whatever I scanned. So this is giving me a bunch of different options, because it was not able to find the exact same thing that I picked. On the product, we can also see that it was scanned with the dash wand, and if it was not able to find the correct product or if it did something wrong, we can also switch the item to something that's different. One of the big features with the second generation is that we do have Alexa integration, so you can ask it all of the exact same questions that you can with all the other ones. It knows everything. One downside of the speaker is super loud, and it's not actually possible to change that volume. You cannot tell it to turn it down, and you can't do it through the app. Another issue is that because there is a mono speaker and that is on the back, it is super easy to cover that and muffle it, as you can hear. The audio quality is pretty horrible, which is why they did have to put that little bump on the back, so if you stick it on a table, it's not going to get muffled. The addition of the magnet is a pretty nice feature. You can just pop it right on and off anywhere that has a magnet, and it is especially great for the kitchen, so you can stick it on your fridge and not really have to worry about it. It also is nice that it does come with a hook. It is sticky, so you can hang it wherever, and it just goes right through the hole on the dash wand, so you can hang it wherever. It's a nice addition, and I'll probably use it. But that's it. This is a pretty neat device. I'm a big fan of it. It has gone up a little bit in price, but I think it's under $7, which is pretty good, especially because it does have Alexa built in. If you want to check this out, I'll drop a link to it down below. It's definitely worth considering. It's a pretty awesome device. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Apple Tech 128, and I'll see you in the next one.